Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be teaching us how I generated this AI hyper realistic image. Since I uploaded this image on my Facebook, a lot of people have been requesting on how I generated this AI image. Although some people believe that these an AI generated image. So I'm going to be teaching us how I generated this image. Please make sure you follow me carefully. And the first thing we are going to do, we are going to make use of a VPN. Make sure you download the free VPN on your phone. Okay. And with your laptop or PC, you can also do the same thing. Okay, make sure you follow my step. So open your VPN. We are going to make use of VPN so that we can connect to the website, and you can use a VPN of your choice. Any VPN you want to use, you can make use of it. Okay, that's not a problem. So you are going to make use of this particular country IP called Singapore. Okay, so the reason why we are using VPN is because this website is not, their service is not available in all country. So that's the reason why we are making use of a VPN. So if the website is available in your own country, fine, that would be okay. Okay, so in case you find out that is not available, make sure you make use of VPN. Okay, so select this country called Singapore. Okay, and make sure you connect. Now after you connect, go to your browser, go to your web browser, you can use any browser of your choice. You can use Google Chrome or Opera Mini, anyone. So you are going to search for image FS. Okay, click image FS, Google. Now make sure you pay attention. You are going to click this second link here, this labs.google/fs. Make sure you click this very one here. Let's wait for the website to load, please. So when you get to this page, select you are going to log in with your email. Make sure you log in with your email. Okay, now we are going to, let's select image FS. Click this place here, select image FS. Okay, after it open up, we are going to enter our prompt. There's a prompt I use to generate the image. Here's the prompt. Okay, I will be dropping the prompt in the comment section of this video so that you can make use of it. Here is the prompt: ultra hyper realistic full body portrait of a stylish Nigerian young man standing confidently with his hand in his pocket. Okay, so you can go through the prompt. Now if you want to generate any image, if you want the image to look like a realistic image, there are some qualities you must add to your prompt. Okay, one of it is this word, ultra hyper realistic. You must make sure you add it to your prompt so that your image, any image, whatever image you are generating, will come out very well. Okay. Now, without wasting much of our time, I'm going to copy this prompt. Okay. I'm going to copy it and paste it. I'm going to paste it here, this place. Click paste. So go to settings here, settings. This one here, click it and make sure you set it on best quality and select your aspect ratio, the size. Well, for the sake of this video, we're going to use mobile portrait. This 3x4 mobile portrait. So go back to input, and now we are going to click this place, generate. Now let's wait for the image to load up. Okay, as you can see, here is the image. So for those of you saying that this can be AI or generated image, you have seen for yourself, okay? And you can see the image. Now we are going to, for you to download your image, just click this download sign here, click it, and click download again. This is how you download your image. Click download again. So just make sure you download the one you want to make use of. All right. Now let's go back to the prompt. As you can see, this name, this word energy, you can actually edit the prompt for your taste. Okay, you see this word here where it is written energy. You can write anything of your choice. Okay, you can write anything of your choice. All right. Let me add this one here for the sake of this video. Let's add this word, Jesus is Lord, and click generate. So let's wait for the image to load up. So you can actually edit the prompt for your taste. Okay, let's wait. All right, as you can see, the image is out already. You see now, these are ultra hyper realistic image. Please make sure you follow this video carefully, okay? And so that you can be able to get the same result is very important. Watch this video carefully. Just click the download sign and download your image. Okay. So go through the prompt and edit the prompt for your taste. All right. So please make sure you follow me for more video. If there's anything you don't understand, drop your question in the comment section. Okay, I will make sure I attend to your question. All right. See you on my next video. Please make sure you follow me and also share this video. Thank you.